What's up, everyone? Hope you all are doing well and welcome back. Here's another beautiful heaven on earth kind of location, Deomali Hills. It is the highest peak in the state of Odisha with an elevation of about 1672 meters. Honestly, words are not enough to express its beauty, but it's only words, and words are all I have to express the way I felt. You know what I'm saying, voice on? However, this video should give you an idea as to what it feels like, or probably I should say, what it looks like up there. I mean, the view is amazing. Another highlight are the roads that lead to the hilltop. Beautiful roads. In fact, the roads are as good as the destination. Thanks to Odisha government for constructing such lovely roads right to the top of the hill. And there are also several waterfalls, some of them are hidden on the way as well. Once you reach the hilltop, there are several viewpoints where you can enjoy the stunning scenic view. Another major attraction is the temperature. Temperatures in Deomali get very cold and chilly during the post-monsoon period between October and January, literally in single digits, which is very rare in southern India. Last time we've been there, it was around 5 degrees in the early hours. So you know what's the best time to visit Deomali? Not in the early hours, but during the post-monsoon period. However, you can visit any time of the year to enjoy the scenic view and the weather. Just be a little careful in the rainy season. If you're lucky enough, you might even see some wild animals like foxes, deers, hyenas, wolves, and more. Deomali is also famous for night tent camping and campfire, especially between October and January, where you can enjoy the low temperatures. Just keep in mind that there are no accommodations or shelters to stay on the top of the hill. So you have to get your own camping tents and stuff. Please avoid plastic and do not litter. Please watch the video till the end if you can. Share it if you like it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't.